Hi, Sean, Life by Ranch, in the classroom today. Tonight's quick video, I want to talk about your eye dominance or your dominant eye. Most of us know what handed we are. We're either right-handed or we're left-handed. Some of us are ambidextrous. But the same thing applies with our eyes. We've got a weak eye and we've got a strong eye. And we need to kind of figure that out. You know, in previous videos, we've talked about aiming. And remember, aiming is the relationship sight alignment between the rear sight and the front sight of the gun. An aiming sight picture is the relationship between the rear side of the gun, the front side of the gun, and the target that we're shooting at. All that's called aiming. It would be difficult if we went out to the range and we practiced aiming, but we didn't know what dominant eye we had. So there's a simple little exercise that we can do to establish that. So what we do is we take our hands, we put them together, we make the smallest little hole that we can make. Still see through it. Stand about 12 feet away from a wall and pick an object on the wall. I'm going to pick a clock. You could pick a picture, sconce, whatever you want. So I'm going to pick a clock, and I'm going to put that clock inside that teeny little hole I've made with my hands. And I'm going to slowly bring it back, all the time keeping it in focus. All the time keeping that clock in focus. And I'm ending up on the right side of my nose, or my right eye. So that means that I'm right eye dominant. Now, if I did that exercise and I came back and I kept it in focus the whole time and I came to the left side of my nose, or my left eye, that would make me left eye dominant. Don't be scared or nervous if you're right-handed and it goes back to your left eye. That just means you're cross-dominant or cross-eye dominant. It's not a problem. Again, I have one in every class that's cross-dominant. Another exercise you can do is put your hands together, make that small little hole again, and put that up and get that clock in there and just simply shut one eye. So I've got it focused with both eyes open. I've got the clock in that little hole focused, and I close my left eye and I can still see it, which means I'm right eye dominant. If I were to do that exercise and I closed my right eye and I didn't see it anymore, that means I lost the picture. I lost it. So I'm right eye dominant. Whatever eye is picking that up is your dominant eye. It's important to know that because when you're out at the range, you know what handed you are, you get up to take those shots, now you know what eye dominance you have, and you can get good, accurate shots on target. Later video, we'll talk about keeping both eyes open, but for now, let's make it easy, let your strong eye do the work, and get those good shots on target.